we've seen that the super keyword can be used to call a superclass's constructor. So in this case, we call the constructor of the superclass shape, being the parameterized constructor, to set the height of our rectangle. So when running this program, we see that the superclass's parameterized constructor was called. And the area that was output was the length of the rectangle by its height. Now we can also use the keyword super to call the methods of the superclass. So for example, if instead I return the result from the superclass's calc area method when calling the subclass's calc area method, so we can see that a result of 0 should be returned. So here we call the calc area method of the subclass rectangle and passing in this scale factor of 1. So if we run this again, we get a result of 0. So the superclass method can be called in a subclass by using the super keyword with the method name, and we can also pass in the appropriate parameters. So if this superclass method had some parameter here, such as an integer, and we'll call this a dummy parameter, and we'll just say return the integer that's passed in, which will automatically be cast to a double. So if we pass in some integer, we see that the integer was cast to a double and output to the screen.